Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the screen ratio of your videos in the ShotCut apps. So here I have the a landscape video, and I want to change the ratio to become a portrait video. So what you need to do is just click on the video here on the timeline, and then find the option to okay, so you don't need to click on the video. So here just swipe through the menu until you find this format right here, this 19 by 9, 16 by 9, and just click on that. So here in the canvas tab, you just need to choose the format. So let's say I want to change the format into this 3 by 4. Click on that format, and here you can also adjust the zoom, fill, fit, original, like this. I'm going to just go with fill. You can also adjust the position like this to still make it in the center, make the object in the center. And after that, just click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Click on the thanks. Bye.